So yeah, I'm just here on my boat, and one of the things I wanted to work on is essentially a cover or a table to go over where my gas tank goes, because I just don't like having my feet and everything kind of going up and around it, and the hose, and kind of just potentially kicking, tripping, and dropping things on flammable, containers. So I wanted to make a table. So be a board that sits back there. Then there'll be boards they go up and around it like that. I just like working with scraps. Like I love making something out of stuff that I was about to throw away. It makes me excited. I feel like it has a new purpose, a new life, and I've always enjoyed doing that. And it doesn't look the best, and I will try to make things look a little bit better, but functionality is really what I'm looking for. Ooh. Yay, yay. Whacked my pinky on that one. Mosquitoes are starting to show up though, so I'm losing a lot of blood that way. Yeah. All right. Okay, here are the boards lined up in the order of where I had it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut up some of these pieces, make it the braces for these, and then go from there. All right, so these are going to batten in these boards to hold them all together. Nice. It's almost like I got a shield now. On guard. This needs to get attached. Right. So I gotta figure out the best way to do that. How do I ensure this? How do I make it? Hey! Twig jumping on the screen. I don't know if that was in the shot, but that's definitely gonna go into the thing. Alright. So I'm using leftover screws that I found basically from somebody throwing them all away. So there's a star screw, a square screw, and a Phillips screw for each of these. Let it be as it is. Oh dude, check it out. Check it out. Here it is. Made out of scrap wood. Table. We're not done yet. There's still some more things we're going to do. One of those things is I'm going to try to clean this up a little bit. Let's go put it in. As you can see, I can kind of sand it down the edges. Let's go put it on the boat, and I also got some stoppers that we'll put on here to keep it from moving left and right. All right, there's the tank. It fits in place. It sure does. But if you notice, see how it goes like left and right? We're gonna put some stoppers underneath here, and that'll help hold it in place. But it's just wide enough. That's kind of how I wanted it. Just wide enough. Underneath. Come right here and lay on my back. And let's see here. If I put that right there, I think I should do it right there. Supposedly that's the spot. Alright. Alright, let's see. if I'm off by a little bit, I'll know from the other one. Let's do that. We're just going to do one at a time. We were saying that if we line this up, right chair, that should do it. I think I might be a little bit over. Okay, there it is. It's holding it pretty good. I see I do one on this side, so we'll get that measured out. Okay. Moment of truth. Here we go. Let's take a look. It lines up. Cool. Sweet. All right. I can do that. All right. I've repainted the board to not be that ugly green, but something a little more fun. Got the gator colors in here, but we have it a little more Caribbean looking. So my plan is to build this cloth, like a loincloth for the for this area, so you don't look in here either. So the way it would work is the cloth will get attached to this string that goes through. It will get tied off, but I'll probably tie it off underneath. And then I'm going to see if Callie will stitch this like a batten on the bottom so that it weights it down. So now you just have this flap that kind of hangs here. And then whenever you want to open it or just access it, you just have to do it like that, and this should weight it down up here up top. So that's the plan. Let's see if we can do it. He likes this.
Mm-hmm. He loves it when I sew.
All right, here it is. It's tied up. There's the gas. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's official.